Hi, I'm Sue. Welcome to the CMYUK Demonstration Centre. We're looking forward to our next open house event later this month. We'll have a wide variety of print and cut systems on display, but that's enough from me. Here's what our customers have to say about the Demonstration Centre.
I'm just here to say a few words about CMYUK's open days. I found them really useful. It's a much more relaxed one-to-one situation than at a trade show. I think you feel like you're under no time pressure. They will answer all the questions you've got. So you get a really full rounded knowledge of what you're looking to buy.
The CMYUK showroom was vast, much bigger than we thought, and with a much wider range of equipment than we imagined, which was a huge eye-opener for us. And to have access to all of that and be able to test anything that we wanted was incredible.
I would recommend going to these open days. It's one thing to see stuff online and look at brochures, but when you see the actual machines working in the flesh, it's second to none. Organising finance has been straightforward and seamless. I couldn't recommend the guys at Chefex any more.
If you're in the market for a large format digital printer or even a cutting table, I'd strongly recommend heading along to Shrewsbury to CMYUK's Training and Demo Centre. It's a nice relaxed atmosphere, very friendly, no pressure sales. You can enjoy some warm hospitality and take a good look at a wide cross section of equipment.
Thanks to our customers for your lovely video testimonials. We look forward to working with you to the Demo Centre soon. Don't forget to book online.